Hello everyone and welcome, and today we are going to have some exercise. Ebibuzo. Exercise. Ebibuzo. Okay, let's start. Complete the sentences correctly. Complete the sentences correctly. And this in Luganda is Malayo embozi bulungi. Malayo embozi bulungi. Okay, let's have a look at the sentences. Number 1, it is I am dash with her. I am in dash with her. And in brackets, we have like and love. I am in with her. And what's the answer there? Okay, I am in love with her. Hope you've passed it. And that in Luganda, it's going to be Inze ndi dash naye. Inze, indi, because of I am, inze ndi dash naye. In brackets, we have mukwano and mukwagala. Mukwano and mukwagala. And what's the answer there? Of course, inze ndi mukwano naye. Love is mukwano. Nze ndi mukwano naye. Okay, let's proceed. She dashed to buy me a car. She dashed to buy me a car. In brackets, we have promised, promise. Promised and promise. She dashed to buy me a car. And the answer is, of course, she promised to buy me a car. Remember, promised, since that was past tense. She promised to buy me a car. Let's proceed. In Luganda, that is ye dash okungulira emmotoka. Ye dash okungulira emmotoka. Ye yansuubiza. Ye yansuubiza okungulira emmotoka. Okay, let's proceed. English dash an interesting language. English dash an interesting language. In brackets, we have at, is, and for. English, an interesting language. And what's the answer? Is. Why do we use is? Because English is an interesting. Interesting is in present continuous tense. That's why we are using is. We looked at tenses. You can have a look at tenses. English is an interesting language. Okay, and that in Luganda, oluzungu lulimi dash. Oluzungu lulimi dash. In brackets, olwegombesa okwegomba. Olwegombesa okwegomba. And what's the answer there? Of course, English oba oluzungu lulimi olwegombesa. Okay, let's proceed. Translate the words to Luganda. Translate the words to Luganda. Number 1, we have saucepan. Remember, we looked at this. Saucepan. Saucepan in Luganda. Can you guess? Essepichi. Okay. Maize. Maize. What is maize in Luganda? Kasoli. Kasoli. Okay. Pot. Pot in Luganda. Ensuwa, of course. Ensuwa, water. Water in Luganda. We looked at water, and that is amazi, of course. Amazi. Okay, let's proceed. Read the passage loudly. Read the passage loudly, implying that you are going to read out such that I can hear you. Okay, can you read that first sentence? Okay, let's do it together. He fell from the mango tree. The tree was so big in size and had few branches. He could not hold himself at the big branch. Once again, the passage is, He fell from the mango tree. The tree was so big in size and had few branches. He could not hold himself at the big branch. Okay, the next question is translate the above story to Luganda. Translate the above story to Luganda. Of course, can you read that? Okay, let's read it together. Ye yagwa okuva ku muti gw'omuyembe. Omuti gw'omuyembe is mango tree. Ye yagwa okuva ku muti gw'omuyembe. So that tree was so big in size. It's going to be omuti gwali munene and had few branches. Era nga gulina amatabi matono. Okay. He could not hold himself at the big branch. Ye yali tasobola kwekwata ku ttabi ddene. Once again, ye yagwa okuva ku muti gw'omuyembe. Omuti gwali munene era nga gulina amatabi matono. Ye tasobola kwekwata ku ttabi eddene. Okay, let's proceed. The next question is, form 3 sentences using but. Form 3 sentences using but. And this in Luganda is kola emboozi ssatu nga okozesa naye. Remember we looked at using but. You can review the video above. Kola emboozi ssatu nga okozesa naye. Okay. One can say, I came, but you didn't see me. This is one of the answers. I came, but you didn't see me. Inze nazze naye gwe tewandabye. Okay, the next one can say, she is wise, but stubborn. She is wise, but stubborn. Ye mugezi naye alina eddalu. Another one, I'm tired, but I have to work. I am tired, but I have to work. Inze nkoye naye nina okukola. Okay, let's proceed. Count the numbers in English and Luganda. What an interesting question. Count the numbers in English and Luganda. Remember, we looked at counting numbers in playlist 1, of course, in English and Luganda. Okay, count the numbers in English and Luganda. Number 1. What is this? Okay, that one is 100. 100. And in Luganda, it's going to be chikumi. Chikumi. Okay, the next one is 210. It is 210. 210. You can leave your answers in the comment box. And that is bibiri mukumi in Luganda. Bibiri mukumi in Luganda. The next one, 1, 2, 4, 8, 6. 486. It is 486. 486. And that in Luganda is bina chinana mu mukaga. Bina chinana mu mukaga. Okay, the next one. This, what is it in English? Okay, it is 1,000. 1,000. Okay, let's proceed. 320. 320. It is 320. 320. And that in Luganda is bisatu abiri. Bisatu abiri. Okay, the next one. This one in English and Luganda. Of course, it is 701. 701. In Luganda is lusanvu mu emu. Lusanvu mu emu. Okay, that is it for today. Enjoy the rest of the videos. Bye bye. Wherever.